Hey friends, welcome back. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to use two WhatsApp in your same phone, that is in your latest Android phones. So let's get started into the video. First of all, simply you have to download an app called Parallel Space. Simply open Play Store and search Parallel Space. This is the app Parallel Space. Just simply install it. It will take some time to install. You can see the app has downloaded. Now simply open it. Click on continue, give all the necessary permissions. Choose which app do you want to clone, that is if you want to make two WhatsApp, simply enable WhatsApp only, make tick off another apps, just only tick WhatsApp only, click to add to parallel space, accept, and click on WhatsApp. There will be a parallel space 64-bit support app, just install that. It has downloaded. Now open WhatsApp simply, give all the permissions. This version is not active, right? So you will see some ads coming. You can again continue, give any number. Just simply log in as usual. You will log in to your SQL WhatsApp. You will get this thing done. Never. So you can use this like this WhatsApp. You can use two WhatsApp with this within the same phone. You know, hope you all guys like my video. If you do like my video, do subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of the future updates, and share it to all your friends. Thank you, my dear friends.